Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add baggage on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice. Locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type in airasia.com. And that's going to take you to the official website for Airasia. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add baggage on Airasia. So when you are placing a booking, you can now proceed to add baggage from there. So fill out all of these details. All right, flying from, going to, departure date and time. If it's one way, round trip or multi-city include. If you're adding one person or more persons, go ahead and add that. Add a promo code if you want to and click on search. So that's going to take you right into this window where you can now select the flights that you want for this trip. So over here, I'm going to select the first one. Click on the select button there. And that's going to take you right into the next window where you can now add add-ons for your trip. So we're here in this page. Now for you to add a baggage, just right here where you have add-on, you have baggage allowance. Now click on baggage allowance and add a baggage. So over here, read this information, bring a total of 14 kg cabin baggage on board. Carry one cabin baggage, and you have this. You have one small bag. Those are your allowances. So you can say, add any of these baggages. So let's say, add any of this baggage, rather. So this is one, this is another, this is another, this is another, this is another, this is another. Just select any. And after selecting any, you know that the price, you can also check the price that is attached to it. So once you're done, go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, so here says express baggage, collected checked baggage, first upon arrival, limited to 25 guests per flight. So you have this. The part this and 4.1 USD for one guest. So that's it. That's your baggage. Now go ahead and click on done. So click on that and click on done. So after clicking on done, that's it. You've been able to add a checked bag, and that's it here. So once you're done, click on continue. And click on continue. That's going to take you right into the next page where you're going to have to confirm your flight details. And after that, click on the next page, and that's the last page, which is the payment window. Just add your payment details and proceed to pay. But this is how you can add a baggage on Airasia. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.